Hello again, guys. Right, now I'm going to show you how to put a new air filter on your Stihl Farm Boss 038 AVS electronic quick stop. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to undo this screw on the back here. Obviously this isn't the correct screwdriver, but it will do the job. So you're going to want to undo that until you feel resistance, at which point it will, in fact it will just spin because it will reach the top, and then that just comes off like that. Okay. And then you're just going to want to undo that little one there. Obviously this has already been cleaned, but I'll just clean it again just to show you. So that's the air filter there. As you can see, it's full of crap on that side, which is kind of bad, but you know. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to plug the carburetor to stop any dirt or anything going inside, like that. And then all you're going to want to do is just get either your compressed air gun or just a can of compressed air will do the job. So all you're going to want to do is just blow all that off from around there. Make sure you do clean off all the sawdust from around your carburetor, and also make sure you plug that hole up, because if you don't plug that hole up, chances are you'll end up with a load of unwanted dirt and stuff inside your carburetor, which is not good, because it could mean that you have to take your carburetor to pieces and clean it all out, which you don't really want to be doing if you don't have to. And then all you're going to do is you're just going to blow all that dirt and stuff off of that air filter as well. And this doesn't get used very often, but when it gets used quite a lot. So it's always good to give it a good clean. Make sure it's all nice and clean. Okay. And then you're just going to want to take your piece of paper that you put in there, get rid of that, then maybe give that a quick blow through there, and then just get your air filter and slot it in to there, like that. Hang on. Like that. Okay. So that doesn't need to go below anything. All you need to do is you just need to line up your holes. Oh, I just pulled that apart. That one's cleaning too. I forgot about that. Make sure you give that a good clean too inside there, because that's where all your dust will also collect, inside there. And obviously the same on that side as well. Make sure you're getting rid of all the dirt and debris and stuff out of there, all your sawdust. And then you're just going to want to put those two back together, making sure you get it the right way up. So it just like that. Okay. So that's nice and clean now. And then all you want to do is just slot that back into there. So it slots over those 2 bolts on the carburettor. And then just simply screw it back down. There's quite a lot of videos that I can do at the moment because there's a lot of stuff in here which I can do stuff on and show you how to repair things. So then you're just going to tighten that down and then just pop your cover back on, making sure you got rid of that piece of tissue out of your carburettor before you put it back together, otherwise chances are it probably won't run because it needs air. So just put that back together like that, like so. Doesn't need to be massively tight, just nip it, and then that's it, you're done. Okay, thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.